Armed with SEIU West flags and other signage, nurses from across the Cypress Health Region rallied outside the Prairie Pioneers Lodge in Swift Current with one clear message.
We deserve respect. We deserve better than we're being treated.
The discontent on this autumn afternoon stems from the Cypress Health Region's recent decision to change nursing shifts from 12 to 8 hours in 5 long-term healthcare facilities here in the Southwest. A move which has raised concern with SEIU West members.
It's a done deal. There was no, from what I understand, it was just this is the way it is, here's your notice, and there's no changes. I mean, they haven't even listened to the staff's concerns, from what I've been told, and there's been, like I say, no consultation with the union. You know, a lot of times when there's changes, we can work with the employer to help ensure there's a little bit smoother transition, or maybe even work with them to see that it's maybe not necessary. But that opportunity was never given in this circumstance.
The long-term healthcare nursing issue has also piqued the interest of NDP opposition health critic Judy Junior. Junior walked alongside her fellow nurses on Wednesday, showing her support for their efforts. And after completing a province-wide tour this summer of several healthcare facilities across the province, Junior feels for the Cypress Health Region employees.
I've seen health districts disrespecting their workers. Many of the workers told Andy Wanchuk and I that they don't feel their work is respected, and they don't feel they're respected as workers. And most of that has come from the bargaining that SEIU did in the last round of bargaining. It was toxic, and people felt that. It dragged on, and it was basically because Brad Wall put in Bill 5 and 6, and he said he was going to war with working people, and he did. And here we have what happens.
Southwest TV News contacted the Cypress Health Region. However, officials hold their stance on the shift changes and do not wish to debate the issue any further in the media. Saskatchewan's Premier and MLA for Swift Current, Brad Wall, was also contacted by our office. However, he was not willing to comment on the issue or the afternoon rally. And as the impending shift changes are set to occur in November, SEIU West members and this long-term care client here in Swift Current are still hoping for a change of heart.
I would say listen to your workers and respect your workers, and pay attention to this rally today, because I think it said it all.
I think that there's a possibility they're going to see an exodus because, you know, people just can't manage the 7 days in a row.
Southwest TV News will continue to follow this story as it unfolds in the coming weeks.